Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So today I will share you my night routine. So guys, while my mom is cooking, I will show you how do I create this unique star papers like this. Ganyan. So you can buy this at Lazada, Shopee, at any online store, and put your hands like this, round it, and make a loop like this. Then put this up here and this. If this is here, tuck it and do the pattern. Then sorry for the noises because my sister is watching. Then cut this flat and pinch the edges, and then you have it, a star. And I make a lot because my classmates order some bouquet, and I sell them for 20 pesos for mini and large for 40 pesos. And pag customize 20, pag hindi siya customize 15 to 35 pesos lang. Then if you have a lot paper, you're just going to cut it, and then you have this paper stars. I called it paper magic stars because it's magical for me, because it's colorful and paper. So for the place, guys, sorry. Then gagawa pa tayo ng madaming green. So may nag-order sa akin ng bouquet mini, and di ko pa siya nagagawa. And lalagyan ko na pala ng design yung large na in-order ng aking classmate. Wait, I'm just going to finish it. So guys, this is what I made. So I'm gonna go back if it's done decorating it. So guys, I'm done decorating it, but it's not dry yet. The heart in the middle, it's not dry yet, so I'm not going to touch it. But this is the inside, because my best friend ordered this, so it's special. So lagyan ko siya ng heart sa unahan. It's for my special customers. So guys, I'm gonna eat, and if I'm done, I'm gonna play this again. So guys, the first step in my routine is pick your pajamas or any clothes that you usually sleep in. And the second is take a bath and clean yourself. So the next is wash your face with soap. So I wash my face, it's still wet, and then gently pat with towel. I don't mind who comes, but we must leave straight away. And the next is brush your hair. So that is how I done my night routine. So i-complete ko na lang yung ito yung in-order ng best friend para sa kanyang crush. And gagawa pa ako ng isa for my friend Regeline. So I don't use scissors here. Oh, it's okay. So my sister is watching YouTube, so it's noisy here. Sorry. So ang order niya is not customized, so it's a rainbow. Because pag hindi siya customized guys, rainbow siya. Kasi pag customized, kinustomize talaga nung best friend ko. Kasi gusto ng crush niya is light na color. So, nilagyan ko siya ng light green, light blue, like that. So, samahan niyo ako mag-review mamaya. Dalawa yung ginagawa ko kasi papatong ko siya doon. Yan, papatuyuin muna natin siya because bibili tayo sa tindahan na bond paper. So, I have money. I'm just going to get. Yan guys, lumabas na ako ng bahay namin. So, dito na ako. Bond paper. Long. 5 pesos.
Kung bumili ng 20.
Kasi order yung mga kaklase ko eh. Tapos clover. So tapos na ako namili ng mga gamit. And pinost ko siya kasi may nalhulog and hindi ko siya nakita. Tapos yung ex-crush ko guys, dumating siya. Tapos sabi niya, ayun tapos bigla ko siya nakita. Oh my gosh, nakakaba kasi nervous na ako. So syempre i-continue natin siyang gawin. So kita niyo yan, yung picture na yan, tsaka yung teddy bear. Yung teddy bear sa kapatid ko, tapos yung photo frame sa kapatid ko din. Lahat yan sa kapatid ko. And tama yan. Yan, basta may frame pa dyan isa. That's mine. Nung bata pa ako, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan siya guys. Nung bata pa ako niyan. Nung pa ako, kinder. So, i-continue ko na itong gawin. Because, so, crumble. Dalawa lang ginagamit ko sa si ate. Didilitan ko na siya ng mga stars. Well, ipa-pluck lang natin siya guys. So, yan. Basta dito pala. So, guys, ubus na kasi yung ulo ko and tinatakta ko na lang siyang ganyan para lumabas yung labas niya. Kasi wait lang guys, pause. So guys, na-istorbo kasi may dumating siyang tao, which is yung tito ko. So, this is not customized. So, usually, dapat kinustomize mo na lang kasi mas maganda pag customize. Mahal nga lang siya. Pero sulit naman, maganda naman ako magawa. Maingay guys, sorry. Just pagpasensya nyo na lang siya. Watch until the end. Pag umorder ka ng ganito, may freebies ka sa akin. Ang large may freebies kasi malaki yung binili niya. Nag-ask kasi yung customer ko, sabi, pwede po bang gawing mas malaki pa? So sabi ko, pwede naman po i-try ko mas malaki yung magawa ko. So, nag-try ko siya maging mas malaki. So, success naman. Maganda naman. Ayan, natatanggal siya. So, guys, ganyan, natatanggal siya. Okay, balikan ko na lang kayo pag pag tapos na siya para makikita niyo yung final result. So guys, it's done. Look. So, designan ko na lang siya sa labas, which is ito gagamitin ko acrylic. So, I think ang lalagay ko na lang sa kanya is dark pink para dadrawingan ko na lang siya ng mga star or mga weird things like this. Guys, it's done. Sorry for the noises because my sister is watching this Holly and Ben. Yan. Tada! So, kung napapanood nyo naman to, Gwen at Virgin. Ako yun, be, gumawa. Ako talaga yung gumawa. So, don't think na madali gumawa nito. Binabaan ko lang yung pressure niya kasi parang ma-afford naman nila. So, gagawa pa ako more kasi nag-order na naman ako ng bagong panggawa. So, it's medyo mahal din, 58. But may nasingil na naman ako. Kulang pa lang na 80 pesos kasi yung ate ko hindi pa nagbabayad. Bumili kasi, hindi ko pa kasi siya nakikita. So, yan. Mag-ano ko guys. So, I think ang gagawin ko na lang ay panoorin mo na lang ang aking next video. Okay, bye! Bye guys! Don't forget to subscribe, ha? Thank you!